Today, we're going to talk about buying property in this uncertain time. Aaron, what's your thoughts?
Yes, these are uncertain times, but I'll tell you what, with all margins, there's always opportunities. Firstly, you've got to look at the stats. The REINZ, Real Estate Institute of New Zealand, Fiona, as we were reading this morning,
Yep.
year on year, house prices in Auckland have gone up 26.4%. Yes, the growth is slow, but the momentum is still there in the marketplace. Backed up with stock levels are an all-time low, properties are selling in the least amount of time they always have, and in August just been, the most popular form of selling a property was via auction, which is no surprise. So in this marketplace, in this dynamic market, in these uncertain times, if you want to buy property, then you're going to have to get used to going to auction, and speed is always going to be your friend with a lack of stock. But what are some of the strategies, Fiona, that you say to the buyers?
Oh, I would say firstly, they will need to have cash, and if they got cash ready, then that's good. And secondly, they need to know what's their top dollars. What's your thoughts about it?
Yeah, look, there are hundreds of strategies. If you Google bidding strategies at auctions, there's a plethora of ideas and strategies, all those strategies that experienced agents like yourself, Fiona, know to the advantage of the buyer. But yes, the key that I see for buyers is we're all aspirational. If we've got $1 million, we want to try and buy a $1.2 million property. We always try and buy up. So what I see from a lot of bidders is they'll turn up to the first one and they'll get beaten and they'll go, it's not worth it.
Yeah.
The second one, well, it's not worth it. It usually takes 2 or 3 auctions for them to go, actually, I either need more money or drop my expectations, but knowing what your top dollar is always going to help.
Yeah.
How have the online auctions been going, Fiona?
Oh, it's been really good. Actually, it's been really busy last month. We're selling really well in online, as you know as well. I think online auction is going to be really the new norm in the future because due to the lockdown, COVID-19, and we've got to get used to in the future about online auction. Doesn't matter, it's going down to level 3 or level 2, and then people will need to get used to have that. We're going to talk about a little bit more about online auction next time, eh?
Absolutely, but it's the new norm. People can bid in person, they can bid on the phone, or they can bid via a digital platform. But yes, the only thing certain is uncertainty moving forward, but list and sell with people like Fiona and Team Lee, and then you'll get the result you're looking for and you deserve.
Yep. Let's talk about next time. Thanks, Anne.